Have you been wondering how to get a free IBO Player subscription? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it using the Revsfr Rewards Program. I'll also explain how Revsfr works, how to create an account, choose the right subscription, earn reward points, and redeem those points for premium player apps like IBO Player. Let's get started. What is Revsfr? Revsfr is an IPTV service that offers over 50,000 live TV channels and a growing library of 200,000 plus movies and TV series in HD, Full HD, and 4K quality. It supports all major devices, including Smart TVs, Android devices, iPhone and iPad Firestick, Apple TV Mag boxes, PCs and laptops. Roku. Everything is designed to work with popular IPTV apps using M3U playlists, Xstream codes, and EPG URLs, making setup quick and simple. Multi-device support. One question many users ask is, can I watch on multiple devices at the same time? The answer is yes. When you visit the pricing section, you'll notice a connection selector. Simply choose the number of connections you need. Each connection represents one device that can stream simultaneously. For example, one connection equals watch on one device. 2 connections equals watch on 2 devices at the same time. 3 connections equals 3 simultaneous streams. So you can choose the plan that best fits your household. If you ever have questions, Revsfr also provides 24/7 live chat support right from the website. Creating your account. Creating an account only takes a minute. On the Revsfr homepage, click Sign In. Then select Create Account. Enter your name, your email address, a password. After submitting the form, Revsfr will send a verification code, OTP, to your email. If you don't see the email in your inbox, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Enter the verification code, click Verify, and your account will be ready. After logging in, you'll arrive at your Revsfr dashboard. You'll see a quick tutorial introducing the platform. The interface is very clean and easy to use, so for this video, I'll simply skip the tutorial and continue. How to get free IBO Player. Now let's get to the part everyone is here for. Revsfr includes a rewards program. Whenever you purchase an eligible IPTV plan, you receive reward points. These points can be redeemed for premium IPTV player applications. That means you can activate apps like IBO Player completely free using your earned points. The activation is valid for 1 full year. Example. For this demonstration, I'm selecting the 6-month plan with 2 connections. As you can see, every additional connection also increases the reward points you receive. Since I'm purchasing 2 connections, I receive 2 reward points. So after completing the purchase, those points will appear automatically inside my dashboard. Completing payment next. Choose your preferred payment method. You can pay using credit or debit card cryptocurrency. For this example, I'll select Pay by Card. You'll be redirected to the secure payment page. If you notice that the product name shown on the payment page looks different, don't worry. That's completely normal, because Revsfr uses a secure payment processor for card transactions. I'll complete the payment now and come right back. Order processing after payment. Your order status will show as pending. This simply means it's waiting for verification. Once the Revsfr team verifies the order, your IPTV credentials will be generated automatically. You'll then find your login details inside your dashboard. As you can see, my order has now been completed. I also received my 2 reward points, matching the 2 connections I selected. Redeeming your free IBO Player. Now it's time to activate the free app. Open the Activation Apps section from the sidebar. Here you'll find several premium IPTV player applications. I'm choosing IBO Player. If you'd like to verify that it's the official application, simply click View Instructions. This will take you to the app's official website. To activate it, enter your MAC address device key. Then click Submit. Your activation request will now appear as pending while it's being processed. Once completed, your IBO Player license will be activated for 1 year using your reward points. Need help? If you'd like the Revsfr team to upload your playlist for you, or if you need assistance with activation, simply open the support ticket section from the dashboard. The support team will help you as quickly as possible. And that's everything you need to know about getting a free IBO Player subscription through the Revsfr Rewards Program. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future IPTV tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.